Hi there, this is Diecast channel, and in this video I'm going to show you this 1969.5 Plymouth Road Runner. This is a very nice car made by all the world in a 1/18 scale. So if you like those small cars, please don't forget to see this video truly, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, to give me a thumbs up, to share the video, and to click bell for news. So let's unbox this car and take a better look at it. And here we have the Plymouth. That's a very nice car, a very interesting car. And one thing that's interesting about the 69.5 is there was the option of a 440 Magnum engine with 3 double-barrel carburetors and the lift-off hood. As we look at this car, we see the Roadrunner badge on the front door, just like the other model. We see the 446 BBL on the lift-off hood, all 4 clips hold the hood down, and the front is pretty much the same of the other Roadrunner I've shown before. Same grille, same headlights, same bumper, same everything really, just the hood is different. And it's a very nice color, very nice car really. Has a metal antenna which is very well made, windshield wipers, and as we take the hood off, this is a lift-off hood. You can see the 440 Magnum with the air filter and all details are supposed to be there. So we see the battery, the valve covers, the reservoir, the horn, alternator, the hose, battery, engine bay, the radiator, the front panel, front grille. So everything is really well made in this car. And the color is very nice, the paint is very nice. And as we open the passenger door, we can look at the black interior, which is quite simple, with a simple bench seat and a 4 on the floor stick shift and a headliner. Door closes correctly. This window doesn't exist in the other version. And the rear of the car is pretty much the same as the other one, but in this case the trunk lid opens and we can see the trunk with a spare tire and a mat. It's quite simple, but it's pretty well made. It's all made in black inside with a white mat, and trunk lid closes correctly. Roadrunner badge, a Roadrunner, and a lock. Painting is very nice. The blinker, the wheel, steel wheel. As we open the driver's door, we can see the steering wheel, the seats, the dashboard, speedometer, which is horizontal, carpet, seats. One more look at the interior, and the door that closes correctly. At the bottom of the car is made in the body color and primer, drive shaft, the rear axle, suspension, the gas tank, engine, tranny, front suspension, mufflers, so everything is really well taken care of. There's no big news about this. Let's just put the hood back. Looks very nice, really. I really like this model car, and from 0 to 10 I would give this car a 10, considering that as a simpler ERTL line, it's not the same thing as an Authentics, for instance, but it plays its role very well in a cheaper model range. So I really like this Mopar, and I really like to thank you for all likes and views. I appreciate all subscriptions, all comments, and likes. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, to leave your comments below, subscribe my channel, and click the bell for news. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.